Synexa AI is a newly released AI software that promises to revolutionize how businesses manage their data, customer interactions, and automation. If you're curious about this cutting-edge tool, keep watching because I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in and why this could be the best AI solution you've been waiting for. And don't forget, you can try Synexa AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. So, why should you care about Synexa AI? First, it stands out because of its advanced capabilities in automating complex tasks. Unlike other AI platforms, Synexa leverages deep learning to understand context, which makes it smarter at providing relevant insights, predictions, and suggestions tailored to your business needs. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or customer support, this software can adjust its strategies based on real-time data, which is a huge game changer. One of the standout features of Synexa AI is its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities. It allows businesses to manage customer queries more effectively by interpreting and responding to inquiries in a human-like manner. Whether you're running a chatbot or managing customer service, Synexa's NLP ensures that the interactions feel personal and meaningful. This feature alone can save companies significant time and resources, all while improving customer satisfaction. Another key feature to highlight is Synexa's data analytics. With businesses drowning in data, it's often hard to pull meaningful insights. Synexa AI helps simplify this process by automatically analyzing trends, making sense of vast data sets, and presenting these insights in an easy-to-understand format. If you're in charge of decision-making or marketing strategies, you'll love how this software can help you stay ahead of the curve. But it doesn't stop there. The software also provides robust integrations with popular platforms like CRMs, email marketing tools, and social media management systems. This makes it incredibly easy to plug Synexa AI into your existing workflow. Whether you're handling your leads, monitoring engagement, or managing campaigns, everything can be automated without a hitch. Synexa also uses AI to help you optimize your content strategy. It looks at what your audience engages with, analyzes the data, and provides actionable recommendations on how to improve your reach and engagement. This takes the guesswork out of content creation and gives you solid strategies that work. For those who are concerned about security, Synexa AI has top-tier encryption protocols in place. This means that your sensitive data is always protected, which is essential in today's digital world where cybersecurity is a growing concern. As data privacy becomes more important, Synexa stands out as a software that not only delivers but keeps your business safe. One of the best aspects of Synexa AI is the user interface. Many advanced AI platforms can feel intimidating or complicated, but Synexa is designed with ease of use in mind. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it intuitive to navigate. This lowers the learning curve significantly, allowing you to get started and see results faster. If you're skeptical about jumping into a new AI tool, I completely get it. It's important to try before you commit. That's why I recommend you check out Synexa AI for free via the link below. If you're still wondering if this is the right fit for your business, remember that after trying thousands of AI tools, Synexa AI is among my top recommendations. Lastly, if you're looking for more AI solutions to boost your business, check out the other software options listed in the description. Each one has been carefully selected based on effectiveness and ease of use, and many offer free trials just like Synexa AI. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level with AI, don't wait. Click the link below, try Synexa AI for free, and see what it can do for you today.